Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing notification history on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Before you can see your notification history, you will first have to enable the setting to save your notification history. To do this, open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, tap on Notifications. Then tap on Advanced Settings. Tap Notification History. Switch the toggle on. From now on, your phone will save your notification history here, so if you have cleared a notification and want to know what it was, you can come here and view it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.